What's up, and welcome to Creator Nation. This is the perfect place if you're a creator, a coach, an expert, an entrepreneur, and you're really looking to create scroll stopping content that's going to immediately engage with your audience to get them to raise their hand because you're creating powerful content messaging that speaks to them directly. It's also going to bring you an F ton of leads so that way you can make more sales within your online business. And my goal here is to get you your next 100 leads within a 30-day time period by you implementing the strategies that you will learn. And so what you will find here, and to get the most out of this community, is one, make sure that you are engaging, asking questions, and using all of the resources. One thing I highly recommend you do is book a one-on-one convert session. This is going to allow me or my team to understand specifically where you are and how we can best serve you, and what would be the first initial step and game plan to get you creating better content, but then also get you closer to those next 100 leads. So first off, you want to make sure to start off with the welcome post, introduce yourself. Where are you from? What do you do? Who do you serve? And what would you love to learn most within this community? One place to go is to the classroom. So the start here, this is where you want to make sure to, one, download the school app, get school for yourself if you haven't already, to create an engaging community and tribe for yourself. But then also make sure to pin Creator Nation to the top of your feed so you don't miss out on any posts, any updates, any upcoming events. So it shows you how to do that right here. And then also you're going to want to make sure that you start the Instagram Marketing Secrets course. This is going to give you your step-by-step framework on really how to optimize and maximize your Instagram profile and also content, and start doing some market research so you can start creating content that's going to connect with the right audience. And if you don't already have any systems in place, meaning where are your leads going? How are you sending your emails? Where are you building out your offers and your curriculum or memberships for your program? You're going to want to make sure to tap into the Convert to Scale software. You can learn more about how that all-in-one system works right here. But coming back into the school community, when it comes to introducing yourself, if you're unsure what to say, please use this template. You will click here and essentially copy and paste this template. Again, your name, who you are, what you do, what you offer, and use this community to also network with other like minds. One of the most powerful ways to connect and build and grow your brand is to do collaborations. So if you have a live coming up, if you have a workshop coming up, if you want feedback on your content, that is what this community is also for. So you can come here to the community tab. If you have any questions, ask your questions here, share your wins, share something valuable that you're learning. If you would love your content reviewed, drop that here, and any live trainings, they are here. Make sure to also bookmark your calendar. We have coffee hours and live trainings every Tuesday at 12:30. What this is open Q&A along with some trainings and feedback for creating better content, sales processes, marketing strategies, and what are upcoming events happening within the online space. Now, going back to the classroom, I am in the process of uploading more goodies for you guys. So these will be all apart in regards to purchase. So the money making messaging, right now that's $77 for those who are members. The real scripts I'm actually updating into here, $33. Will have real captions and stories selling secrets. So right now I have everything in Trello, but I'm transferring everything from my Trello boards into the school community. I'll also be uploading my master email marketing secrets. So if you've been, it's been a challenge for you to create emails consistently for your community, that will be a resource for you too. But mind you, these will be a la carte, but when you choose to upgrade to Creator Nation Elite, Creator Nation Elite only, that is $177 a month. What that is we actually will be meeting weekly for coaching calls. You will also get access to the Convert to Scale CRM. So not only will you get access to the CRM, which is going to give you access to create unlimited websites to capture leads and funnels, it's going to give you social media marketing with AI. It's going to give you simple sales process and strategies, along with you can host your digital products here. For $177 a month, you'll get access to Convert to Scale CRM, plus all of the bonuses and curriculum that will be housed within school, delivered to you in your inbox, in your feed, and you'll have your business in a box all for $177 a month, plus access to me. You'll have unlimited social media audits if you want your content reviewed when you are within Creator Nation Elite. So there will be a link below if you would love to upgrade. I highly recommend. You can cancel at any time, but being in Elite is going to help you get clarity, one, on your offer, create more high converting content, and have the support you need every step of the way as you are building and scaling your online business. Overall, I'm super excited for you to be here. Again, make sure to drop your welcome post in the pinned post above, and I look forward to serving you and helping you create more content that converts to help scale your online business.